everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about the 5 big reasons that why virtual events are better than the live one. We all know that after pandemic started, most of the events got affected. Many of them were postponed, some went virtual and they got better results. So what are the bigger reason? What is the biggest reason that they are getting better results? So the number one thing is flexibility, because in virtual events you are more flexible. You can engage your audience in a better way. You are having a chat system, a good chat system where everyone can put down their comments and ask their queries, and you can answer them, you can understand their problems, and you can interact with them. And the second reason is the Jet Set Go. What is this? So in Jet Set Go, I want to say that we can invite anyone, because we all know that if there is a good event, you can need to invite some people. You want to invite some people who can share their experience. But due to these charges of transportation, it becomes harder for such people to attend such live meetings. So when you are going virtual, it becomes easier for them to connect from anywhere around the world. Either they are on beach or anywhere, they can easily connect, and there's very less transport. There's a zero transportation fee, as well as you can connect with the people with great mindset from all over the world. And the third thing is global audience. You are getting audience of anywhere. You can get, as well as you are getting speakers from the whole world, you can get audience also from whole world. You can connect with them, either they are sitting at home, they can be sitting at their classroom, or they'll be working at their job, workplace, anywhere. And then they are getting flexibility to move, that they can move anywhere. If they are moving also, that doesn't matter. If they are sitting, that doesn't matter, because they just need to have their laptop or smartphone and they can just attend it. Okay, and our last second topic is the cost. As we all discussed about the transportation fees, as well as you don't need to organize such big events where you need to do all those decoration. You need to have all those things for, you have all those charges including for the decoration and setup and everything. These are charges are reduced to the charge of just an app that allows people. It depends on the app that how many people it allows. There's only this much charge, and all charge are negligible. And final thing is efficiency, as people can attend it anytime, as well as it helps us to have a right time to start our live sessions, our virtual events. So it becomes easier for people to attend it at exact time and end it on exact time. If you are having any doubts, any queries, you can put it in the comment section. So if you like this video, you can like, comment, as well as subscribe to this video. And if you haven't followed till now me on Instagram, you can just go and follow there, because I post a lot of valuable content as well as links. And don't forget to see the end of our 30-day reel challenge. I hope to see you there. I wish you all a great day ahead.